We will use a food processor, a fruit processor, a food processor, a food processor,
A food processor.
a food processor,
Say food processor.
food processor.
Yes, very good.
Hello, AI folks! Today I will have my daddy to cook his favorite chili oil. So let's go! First, the ingredients. Sorry. Because I'm just showing you my background and everything is so pretty today. Garlic, onion, chili, oil, salt, pepper, and sugar. Let's go! We will use a fruit processor to grind all the ingredients. Put the garlic inside. Daddy, can you put it fast mode?
Yeah, I will put it fast mode.
Let's close it.
Okay.
We put it on the pan. Wow, we're trying to make chili oil. Chili oil. Cut around with me and hit the baby one more time. Let's put another batch of garlic. Okay, Daddy, look. It's full. Let's close it. Can you come here, please? Like this. Now we put the onions. Oh, okay. That's enough, I think. Now we need to put chilies. Wash your hands after you touch the chilies. Safety first. You put them.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we put the oil. Let's go. Let's pour it. Okay. Close it. Now we'll cook it for 30 minutes. Don't worry guys, Daddy's mixing the chili oil.
Two 2,000 years later.
We will put down the additional ingredients. Vinegar, oyster sauce, salt and pepper and sugar. We will go again for another 30 minutes. See you later.
Many months later.
This is the finished product. Dad likes it. Let's now eat. Bon appetit. Yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.